Hey everyone, and welcome to Pumpkin Abbey. So the other day I picked up some more cactus that I absolutely couldn't resist. I got 3 of them and I need to get them potted up, so let's do it. Now I'm not even going to pretend to pronounce their names. I will only refer to them as their nicknames. Let's see, the first one is Toothpick Cactus. So I'm going to use some of our standard potting soil that we use, and I'm going to actually mix cat litter in with it. We have found that that is one of the best things that we can use for our cactus and succulents. It's kind of about like that. That's pretty good. Mix that up. And even with cactus and succulents, I always pre-moisten the soil just a little bit. Yeah, about like that. I will put their actual names on the screen. Like I said, I'm not going to pronounce it, but I will show you. All right. And I'm just going to pot them into normal terracotta pots. Gently pull this out, and we're going to gently set him in, just like that. Kind of pack him down just a little bit. Then when we're done, I'll water them all in all at once. Yeah, I didn't quite get him centered, but you know what? It doesn't matter. It's a cactus. Totally doesn't matter. Okay, then the next one is the pincushion. Now, I did notice that this one has some stuff. We're just going to take a paintbrush and gently try to get that stuff out of his needles. There we go. You want to use a paintbrush that's pretty soft, because especially with some of the succulents like the echeverias and stuff like that, it can actually damage the plant. But with cactus, it's not so bad, but let's get that stuff off of him. There, he looks great. Okay, let's take him out. Hopefully without getting stuck. Okay, this one, yeah, we don't have much room to work here, so let's do him a little bit different. pretty good. No, these gloves are not keeping me from getting stuck, and yes, it does hurt. You got to do what you got to do. All right. Now, this one is one of my favorites ever since I was a kid. I'm so glad to have one again. This is, again, no scientific names, this is Old Man of the Andes. There we go. That's better. This one was really pointy, so we're just going to use a paper towel. Squeeze. He's not going to let loose, so we're going to have to sacrifice his roots. That's a okay. Let's see this. There's. Ready. And here's a look at them all potted up and in their new home, and a look at most of the succulent collection too. As always, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.